Alright, hello everyone. So me, Meredith, and Sophie are in the car on the way to the Airbnb that I'm going to be staying in for a month. They're going to be staying here for the next couple days before they go back to Michigan. If you guys haven't watched the last video, we were here for Meredith's birthday this weekend for her 21st. So fun. And then I will be here to work on Starlight and just see how I kind of like living in the city for the next month. So excited to check into the Airbnb. Okay, we made it inside. Wait, oh my god. Literally, I don't want to take the suitcases though. Hello? Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Oh wow. Wait, okay, this does not look like in the photos. I won't lie.
What, they
This is so
completely
cute.
change it?
This is so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Sophie's recording. She got my reaction for me.
Sophie's
Oh my
doing a day in the
gosh.
life of me.
Yeah, Sophie's. Oh, the mirror. That's epic. Right now I'm putting my stuff away. Lexi's coming over. She just had a meeting. Actually, McKenna, someone else who's gonna be staying here with me, she helps me with a lot of Starlight stuff. She's coming over in a second too, and we're all gonna sleep in here for a few nights together. There's not a lot of space to put luggages, so I'm gonna first hang all of my stuff up just so I can feel more at home. Lexi? Hello? Hi. So cute. Do you like it? Oh my gosh. Fit check. These boots, I will link them down below. I don't know where they're from. Pants are Free People. They're just like really low-waisted, so I feel like my butt is literally gonna pop out, but they're super cute. It kind of reminds me of like a carpet. I feel like I'm wearing a carpet. This leather jacket I actually thrifted, which I'm pretty proud of. And then jewelry is Starlight. Gymshark outfit on. I'm gonna let you guys look at what it looks like when I film a brand deal, because I'm doing like a little Gymshark brand deal, and I always tweak and mess up when I film stuff like that, so you guys can just see me like freak out over it. Okay, so our friend Kayla is getting coffee with Lexi, and she does not think that I'm coming, so I'm just gonna surprise her. So to film the Gymshark brand deal, and then Lexi and I are gonna go to coffee, and we're gonna surprise Kayla. So normally with the brand deal, we'll just up everything on your computer, the talking points. I actually never really filmed what it's like to like do a brand deal. So you guys should probably know McKenna. McKenna helps me with a lot of my personal issues. No, McKenna helps me like organize my life, and she also is helping me with Starlight a ton, which is the main reason why I'm in New York for this month, because I really want to like get everything set up in person so I'm able to travel when I'm not like in New York. So we get a good system down. So we have lots of meetings and stuff this week to kind of handle all that. She's also just the best and is stylish and lives in Hawaii, like 10 minutes away from us. And it's just really nice to have her here. So
It's really nice to be here.
Hey guys, so I just want to pop on here and say that Gymshark is having a sale. Their sale starts on... Okay. Hey guys, I just want to pop on here. Oof, my hands are so cheap. One thing I do love about New York though is you can be as extra as you want to be, and nobody cares, nobody notices, nobody looks at you twice. So yeah, it's kind of cool. Every day the vitamins I've been taking, I actually just bought these the other day, like 2 days ago. But taking vitamin D because I know that's important. Ashwagandha, it's like I actually don't really know exactly what it is. Dean told me to try these out because I was just very anxious and stressed out, and I don't really, yeah. Anyways, yeah, I'm trying these out. And then I also just got vitamin C, or I got emergency too, so that I don't get sick. I don't know why I just showed you guys that.
No, wait, no, stop! I didn't even get. Hi, I'm sorry. I thought you didn't see. Did you see me? No!
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어.
Hey guys, so back at the apartment now, and I'm gonna do a little Gymshark haul for you guys because they are sponsoring this video, and they're actually having a huge Black Friday sale that goes live on November 18th at 2 p.m. Eastern time, and you can get up to 70% off on selected styles. So I'm gonna model some of them for you guys. This is one of their sets. It has these little thumb holes, which I honestly really like because it just is so tight and comfy on. I just like love all of the cuts in the darkness and the shadows. It just is very flattering. So next they sent this adorable sports bra. It has these crisscrosses in the back. It's a blue and purple color. We have the leggings as well with a little butt scrunch. I always like that. It always is just flattering. It makes me feel confident when I'm working out. That is one thing I do absolutely love about Gymshark. It's so comfortable but yet still flattering. And I actually got a gym membership, so that's pretty exciting. I'm really excited to wear all these to the gym. Then we have this black sports bra with some rips on the front. We've got this nice crop top. We have some booty shorts in that same print. Oh my gosh, I did not know that this was a one piece. What? I've never seen anything like this. We have these nice flowy gym shorts. I'm obsessed with this top and how this feels. Very comfortable. Legit obsessed with the sports bra. And then I also have these army green sets, which we have the sports bra. Again, we have the biker shorts. I don't know why I call them booty shorts last time. We got the leggings, and then again we have the top. So yeah, I'm very, very excited to go to the gym and just have some really cute workout clothes. I don't buy workout clothes often. Like now I'm really excited to throw these on. But yeah, anyways, they are having a Black Friday sale on November 18th, which is probably the day that you're watching this. It starts at 2 p.m. Eastern time. I will link everything in the description, and you can get literally anything I just showed for up to 70% off. It's not a site-wide sale, so it is selected items, but I will link down below the selected items that are up to 70% off, so it's easy to shop. Yeah, wow, I cannot believe Black Friday season is already here. I don't even think, did I go last year? Comment if you guys are going Black Friday shopping, because I don't know if I will. I'm gonna work for a little bit, and then I actually think we're all going ice skating. I think the Rockefeller Center has the ice rink, or there has to be an ice rink here somewhere. Why is Airbnb sitting? Those are cute.
So cute.
Those are really cute. Did you thrift those?
This is Urban Outfitters Men, got for $50.
Men's
this
Urban
is
Outfitters?
Quicksilver Men's. Literally my favorite
When it comes to
sweater
winter
ever.
clothes, men's always.
Always the better one.
All my favorite stuff from Urban is literally.
And you want to wear black pants with this? I love that. I love black pants with this, and this is so warm.
We are trying to get ready for ice skating.
Dinner first.
Oh, dinner. McKenna is styling everyone. Lexi normally does, but she's got the day off.
I'm fired.
She's got the day off with
You're
McKenna
done.
here.
You're done.
I have no idea how to style myself, so it's really nice to have having friends that know how to wear clothes.
Which is crazy because I feel like so many people look up to you for like outfit inspo.
I do not think anyone looks up to me for outfit inspo. I wear the most
100%
basic
think
shit.
that people do.
I think so.
100%.
Bro.
Take a poll.
Or like jeans and
You'd
a
be
shirt.
surprised.
We would be surprised.
Maybe I would be surprised.
Here too, like going a little bit. The vibes are so good. Yes.
That looks so good. Wait. That looks so good. No, we TikTokers at the subway. Hey. There you go.
Got under your skin. You got the white knuckles holding on tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside.
Ganache. No.
I'm gonna make this a daily thing where I come see LA.